Good morning, Namaste, dear students. Already we completed 13 parts of vector algebra. Now we are going to start exercise 10.3. Okay, now 10.3, this is 14th part. Okay, now? Yeah. Here, find the angle between the vectors A bar and B bar. With the magnitudes, we are given the magnitudes. That means modulus of A bar is root 3, modulus of B bar is 2. And A bar dot B bar is equal to root 6. And we have to find the angle between. We discussed about the scalar product. That is A bar dot B bar is equal to modulus of A bar, modulus of B bar, cos theta, where theta is the angle between those vectors for which we are finding the scalar product or dot product. Okay, now you see, given, slowly try to understand it. Given modulus of A bar is equal to root 3, modulus of B bar is equal to 2, and A bar dot B bar is equal to root 6. We are given the data, the magnitudes, the length of vectors are given root 3 and 2, and dot product, scalar product is root 6. But we are asked to find angle. A bar dot B bar is equal to modulus of A bar, modulus of B bar, cos theta, where theta is angle between A bar and B bar. Okay, that is a formula. It is a formula. Okay, now. So, what is A bar dot B bar? A bar dot B bar is root 6. Mod A bar is equal to root 3. Mod B bar is equal to 2. And it is cos theta. Therefore, cos theta is equal to root 6 by root 3 into 2. Okay, now? It is root 6 means root 2 into root 3 by, it is root 3 into, this 2 is nothing but root 2 into root 2. You see that? By definition, we know that A bar dot B bar is equal to mod A bar, mod B bar, cos theta. Cos theta, here only. This mod A bar, mod B bar is sent to this side. Or otherwise, simply we substitute the given values. A bar dot B bar is equal to root 6, mod A bar is equal to root 3, mod B bar is equal to 2, cos theta as it is. Here cos theta, root 6 by 2 root 3 or root 3 into 2. This 2 can be root 2 into root 2. Root 6, root of 2 into 3, root 2 into root 3. 1 root 2, 1 root 2 cancel, root 3 cancels. We get 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 means it is cos pi by 4. Okay, na? Cos pi by 4. Where given cos theta is equal to cos pi by 4. So theta is equal to pi by 4. So angle is pi by 4. Okay, then? Like that. Here we are using the definition, that is the fundamental formula of dot product. And what is dot product? Root 6. What is the magnitudes? Root 3 into 2 is given. We substitute and we find cos theta as 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 means cos pi by 4. Cos cancels, theta is equal to pi by 4. Okay, now? Very simple. Next, find the angle between. Here also, question is saying, but find the angle between the two vectors. Here also, observe me. Given vectors given vectors are a bar is equal to I minus 2j plus 3k, b bar is equal to 3i minus 2j plus k. We are given two vectors. Here the vectors are in the components. These are called as component vectors. Okay, now? Yeah. Now we are asked to find the angle between those vectors. Let theta be angle between A bar and B bar. We are assuming the angle between A bar and B bar be theta. Then cos theta is equal to A bar dot B bar by mod A bar mod B bar. We know it. The property is there. Very simple. A bar dot B bar is equal to mod A bar mod B bar cos theta. From that one it is derived. Okay now? A bar dot B bar is I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap dot of 3i minus 2j plus k by I minus 2j plus 3k with modulus 3i minus 2j plus k with modulus. Okay na? Mod A bar modulus, mod B bar modulus is given. It is put in brackets with notation dot. Dot product already we discussed. The dot product of two component vectors is nothing but 1 into 3, the components. Here I coefficient is 1 into 3 plus this is minus 2 into it is minus 2. Here it is 3 into there is 1. Try to understand it. Here 1 into 3 plus here j coefficient is minus 2. Here also minus 2. Here it is 3 into 1 by the modulus magnitude is root of, it is square root of 1 square plus minus 2 square plus 3 square. It is 3 square minus 2 square 1 square. It is 3 plus 4 plus 3 by root 1 plus it is 1 plus 4 plus 9. It is also 9 plus 4 plus 1. It is 10 by root 14 into root 14. It is root 14 into root 14. Okay, Nana? I will arrange that right here. It is observe me. Again, cos theta. We started with the cos theta and we are solved 10 by root 14. Root 14 is 14. That is 5 by 7. 2 5s, 2 7s. This is theta. Theta is equal to cos inverse 5 by 7. Okay now? Like that we have to solve. Is it clear? Here we are using the very fundamental concept A bar dot B bar is equal to mod A bar mod B bar cos theta. Then cos theta is equal to A bar dot B bar by mod A bar mod B bar. The modulus of A bar is square root of sum of squares of components. That is 1 square minus 2 whole square plus 3 square. Here it is 3 square minus 2 whole square plus 1 square. And dot product is when the vectors are given in the components. A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2. Okay, now like that. 1 into 3 minus 2 into minus 2 3 into 1. Like that one. Okay, now? Next, find the projection vector of, observe me, you open your textbook and see all the questions, because here is the area of the to write on the board. The place is very short, that is why I am writing it. Find the projection vector of two vectors. One is I minus j, second one is on the vector I plus j. Okay na? You see, a very good property, that is I think 7 and 8 I think. The component vector or the projection vector or orthogonal vector, both all the three terms are same. You see, here the third one, given vectors A bar is equal to I minus j, we say it is B bar, and A bar is equal to I plus j. Okay, now finding the projection vector of B bar on A bar. The formula is like that one. That is why I am taking the first vector as a B bar and second vector as a bar. By formula or definition, by definition, the projection vector of B bar on A bar is A bar dot B bar into A bar by modulus of A bar square. That is the formula. Okay na? Projection vector of B bar, for which vector we are finding the projection vector, that is always B bar. Mind it well. Here A bar dot B bar means I cap plus j cap dot of I minus j into A bar by modulus of A bar. This is A bar. 1 square plus 1 square plus 0 square, because k cap is not given. 1 I cap plus 1 j cap plus 0 k cap. The modulus is always square root of sum of squares of components. You have to maintain the formulas first, otherwise it is somewhat difficult. Here you see, it is I dot I is there. 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1 by root 2 into this is A bar. Okay now, 1 into 1, this is 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 by root 2 into A bar, that is equal to 0. So, don't say it is a 0 bar, because 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 into A bar is simply not 0. 0 bar. You write it as a 0 bar. A lot of difference is there. Projection vector is 0 bar. Simply projection of B bar and A bar means it is 0. Okay na? Like that one. So here is very clear. Okay na? Here you see that. Here the two vectors are perpendicular vectors. Why? Because A bar dot B bar, we are getting A bar dot B bar is equal to 0. Okay na? The dot product of two vectors is 0 means they are perpendicular. Perpendicular means, you see, this is I cap j cap. It is like this. This vector is I cap minus j cap. It is 90 degrees. Okay na? Like that. The vectors are like that. So then the projection is not there. So it is a 0 bar. Okay na? Like that. Yeah. Okay. Fourth problem. It is also same. Given vectors are A bar is equal to I plus 3j plus 7k. B bar is equal to 7i minus j plus 8k. Here also we are asked to find the projection vector. uh, projection vector of B bar. Here it is first vector is always B bar, second vector is always A bar, like that only. It is B bar, you take it is B bar and it is A bar. On which we find the projection, that vector is A bar, that is second vector. And for which vector we are finding the projection is second vector. On A bar is A bar dot B bar into A bar by modulus of A bar square. Don't put dot or any cross. It is a common product. If you put dot, that meaning it is dot product. The meaning changes. Okay now? So A bar dot B bar, it is a number. It is also a number. This is the vector. A bar is I plus 3j plus 7k dot of 7i minus j plus 8k. You put it in one bracket by modulus of 7 square minus 1 square plus 8 square whole square. Modulus of A bar means 7 square minus 1 square plus 8 square. Positive square root of sum of squares of components. And A bar is there. It is a dot product between, here is the dot product between the two component vectors. 1 into 7 plus 3 into minus 1, 7 into 8, 1 into 7, 3 into minus 1, 7 into 8. This is A bar is by the root of 49 plus 1 plus 64 with the square. Square cancels. It is 7 minus 3, 4, 4 plus 56, 60. By this is 50 plus it is 49, 1, 50, 64. That is 4, 114. It is 114 into A bar. It is 30 by, it is 57. Okay now? A bar is 7i minus j plus 8k. So this is the required projection vector of the vector I plus j plus 7k. Find the projection vector of one vector on another vector. Okay na? Like this I have to solve. Next. Next, fifth one. It is important. It is a dated problem. It is dated problem. We have to show that the three vectors are given. They are unit vectors, and also we have to find we have to show that they are mutually perpendicular. First we find given vectors are, assume A bar is 1 by 7. It is 2i plus 3j plus 6k. B bar is equal 1 by 7, 3i minus 6j plus 2k. C bar is equal to 1 by 7. It is 6i plus 2j minus 3k. Okay na? Yeah. These are the given vectors, and I have to show that they are unit vectors. You see, modulus of a bar, then how can we show that they are unit vectors? Of course, it is a vector, no doubt. No doubt it is a vector, so it contains some direction. The magnitude of that vector must be 1. So modulus of a bar, we are finding the modulus, magnitude. It is 1 by 7, okay na? You see, it is 2 by 7 square plus 3 by 7 square, 6 by 7 square, don't forget. The coefficient of I is 2 by 7, not simply 2. The coefficient of j is 3 by 7, 6 by 7, okay. That is, components are 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 6 by 7. Here 3 by 7 minus 6 by 7, 2 by 7, like that one. So it is root of 4 plus 9 plus 36 by 49. It is a common. Here it is common. 7 square, 7 square, 7 square is common. So 49. Here also it is 36 plus 4, 49. 49 by 49. So we get a 1. Therefore, mod a bar is equal to 1. Again, mod b bar we will find. It is also 3 by 7 square minus 6 by 7 square, 2 by 7 square. Here also the same. The components don't write 3, 6, 2. It is 3 by 7. Multiple is there. Minus 6 by 7. 2 by 7 is there. It is also 9 plus 36 plus 4 by 49. Here also it is root 49 by 49. That is also 1. Okay na? So mod B also 1. Similarly, we find just wait. I will write here. I will address these problems. Okay na? I will write here. And mod C bar. It is also root of 6 by 7 square. 6 by 6 by 7 whole square. It is 2 by 7 whole square plus minus 3 by 7 whole square. Here also it is 36 plus 4 plus 9 by 49. Here also 49 by 49, 1. Therefore, mod A bar is equal to mod B bar is equal to mod C bar is equal to 1. Hence, A bar, B bar, C bar are unit vectors. First question is over. And also we have to find they are mutually perpendicular to each other. They are mutually perpendicular. So, here I have to A bar dot B bar. Consider, first we consider A bar dot B bar. That is 1 by 7, 2i, 3j, 6k cap, dot of 1 by 7 of 1 by 7 of it is 3i minus 6j plus 2k. Okay now? Here it is, observe it. Here is coefficients are there. 1 by 7 into 1 by 7. 1 by 7 into 1 by 7 is constant, separate. And it is 2 into 3. Okay na? 2 into 3 plus 3 into minus 6. 6 into 2. It is 1 by 49. 6 minus 8 plus 12. That is 0 by 49 is 0. That means, I will write here. That means, observe. Here, a bar dot b bar we consider. Okay, now, and we prove that is 0. That implies a bar is perpendicular to b bar. If the dot product of two vectors is 0, then those vectors are perpendicular. Or otherwise, how can we get 0 cos 90? Modulus of a bar, modulus of b bar, cos 90 gets 0. Okay, now? So, dot product is 0 means they are perpendicular, I told you. Similarly, we will find b bar dot c bar. It is also 1 by 7 into 1 by 7. It is very simple. Here it is 3i minus 6j plus 2k dot of. It is 6i plus 2j minus 3k. Okay, now it is 1 by 49. 3 into 6 minus 6 into 2. 2 into minus 3. 1 by 49. 18 minus 12 minus 6. Here minus is there. 2 into minus 3 minus 6 is there. So it is 18 minus 18 is 0. So here also b bar dot c bar is 0 means b bar is perpendicular to c bar. So it is over. This is over. Again, I will write here. Okay, again we consider a bar dot c bar. 1 by a, 2i, 3j, 6k dot of 1 by 7. C bar is 6i plus 2j minus 3k. Okay, now it is 1 by 7 into 1 by 7. 2 into 6. It is 3 into 2. 6 into minus 3. 1 by 49. 12 plus 6 minus 18. It is also 0 by 49 is 0. Okay, now. So here also a bar dot c bar is equal to 0 means vectors a bar is perpendicular to c bar. In all three cases, say it is 1, it is 2, and it is 3. From 1, 2, and 3, a bar is perpendicular to b bar, and that is perpendicular to c bar. That means mutually they are perpendicular. Okay, Nana? Mutually they are perpendicular to each other. To each other means that is a mutual. The vectors, the given vectors are mutually perpendicular. That means A is perpendicular to B bar, B is perpendicular to C bar, and that C bar is perpendicular to A bar. Okay, na? Like that I have to solve. Okay? Yeah.